This is the PurSteam garment steamer cleaner. Overall, it's a pretty good product. It works well. We really only use it for specialty type clothes. It's nice. It has this adjustable clothes hanger, so you can hang it on there and then just steam clean it right here. Pretty easy to use. Fill it up. It charges up with steam. And then you're free to start cleaning. Good for disinfecting and deodorizing. Fairly easy to use. It plugs into the wall. It has a couple of wheels on it for easy mobility. Easy to disassemble and store. It is adjustable, so you can close it easy and for easy storage purposes. Easy to put just in a closet or right back in the box. Overall, pretty good product. Would recommend. Thanks.